Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from where? Lagos, Nigeria. Where am I coming from? Have you guys met this young lady? That's Mercy. If you look on her short, she's there. She's our super tech. The only female roof climber. We're trying to get her to stop climbing roofs, right, Mercy?
Yes, sir.
And doing more what? More office work, Abi? Cool. See her pretty toes? She doesn't normally uncover her toes, but we've been telling her to look more feminine, and you look today feminine. Well done, welcome. So today, this is a little different. So yeah, as you all know, we only do high voltage stuff, but we have existing customers with existing inverters and existing infrastructure, and they're going to want. They want low. These are low voltage batteries, so they're going to want batteries, right? So this customer, the Pylon Tech battery that, we're processing the warranty, but he doesn't want to wait for the warranty to come. So we're replacing it with this large, massive Dyness batteries. You all know that in 2020, 2021, I was a proponent of Dyness batteries. I'd purchased a bunch of them. The warranty process was amazing. And I've decided that I am going to do the same for this customer now. So I will open the box. Let me see if you can see this. Can you get this? So it's called the Powerbrick, B-R-I-C-K. And is 280 amp hours, and is getting 2 of these. This thing weighs 1.5 tons. 4 people carried it and they broke their back in the process. So let's open it and take a look. So okay, lift the lid. So we beat you to the punch, right? So this is the top of the battery. Do you know that this was the top of the battery? Did you know, Kim? You knew? Why did you know? Because it said up. So if you hadn't said up, you wouldn't know. Well done. So when we opened it, this is what we found in there, these cables. So I like the fact that this can go directly to the inverter, but in this customer's case, we're going to put it onto a bus bar because he has existing infrastructure that handle multiple batteries. And what I like about Dyness is they label their cables. So this goes to the battery, that part goes to the inverter. As you can see it, yep, inverter, battery. So they label their cables, telling you what goes where. I always like that about them. So they give you multiple cables and then they label the cables for you. And then there's a battery cable. Can I see the manual? So they give you a manual, battery manual. They give you a manual. And then they give you, you know, their publicity stuff with their warranty, product registration warranty, blah, 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 blah. And then they give you a packing. Oops, that's on the packing list. I thought it was a packing list. Still the warranty form. These guys are obsessed with warranties. So here's a packing list. So in your packing list, it comes with, let me see if I can read it with you. Battery power break 1, battery bracket left 1, battery bracket right 1. These are the battery brackets. Let me see if you see them. Battery bracket 1 left and right. So battery bracket, fixing bracket, expansion screw, M6 panhead screw, communication cable, heavy screw communication cable. Power cable, positive and negative, I already showed that to you. User manual, I've shown it to you. Ground wire was in with those cables. It's important we ground these batteries. A letter to customer, hey, how are you? This is us. Well done. Thank you for buying this. Communication cable 1 and communication cable 2. So if you notice, they have 4 communication cables. So now we are going to open it and show you what the battery itself looks like. So I need some very hefty people to do this. This was a bit disappointing. We're very excited when we saw this package in there. Look how it looks. And then when we opened it, what did we find? Nothing. Styrofoam with, and then it looks like something was supposed to be in there. Nothing is in there. Do you know how painful this is? My feelings are very hurt right now. Just kidding. So you all remember Mercy, right? Mercy, say hi.
Hi.
Hey, look at the way she's posing sexy for the camera. Hey. This thing is pretty big though. So it's about how many? You say about 3 feet, 3.5 feet? Mercy, how tall are you? You're 5 what? So you don't reach your waist. It's not quite up to your waist. So let's take a quick look, okay? So this 280 amp hours. Massive negative terminal. Oh, this is interesting. Hold on, you unscrew it. I like this. But it's still fragile though. So there's a terminal. The positive is done exact same way. That's the positive. Here are your communication ports, your can in, can out of where? And then this has a Wi-Fi dongle. That was what that box was supposed to be. But they didn't provide us with the Wi-Fi. Let me see if I take this off. Oh, I guess it's built in. Nope, it's not. Yep. There is built-in Wi-Fi, so that's for the antenna. That's what that means. Or is this for the antenna or? Well, it has built-in Wi-Fi. This is nice. So the battery can be talking to a server somewhere. Here's your on and off switch. And that's your run. There's a run button right there. Not bad. Pretty sturdy, pretty massive, pretty big. It has grab handles. They're not conveniently done, the grab handles, so it makes it a little difficult to pick up. Let me come and see the back. Ouch. Okay, come on, the thing. It did not catch my gosh. So I'm going to suspect that there are 4 280 amp hour. This could fit 4 batteries inside, Abi. 4 of this, 4 of something like that. You can fit 4 of something like that in here. That's what I think is in here. Or 3. Yeah, it has Wi-Fi with a log on it. Interesting. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you're here to subscribe, smash the subscribe button once again. This is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria.